Welcome guys, so today I'm going to share with you my leftover ham. I call this Humba style. It's a Filipino recipe.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here.
So to start, I'm just gonna slice the big part of the ham. Chop the onions. Next is the garlic. This is a really easy recipe, guys, so just keep on watching. So after few minutes, guys, ito na po ang amount sa juice niya, and then gusto ko pang i-reduce yung juice niya, you know, so yung matutuyo pa, yung kunting-kunti na lang talaga yung sabaw. Ayan. So ito na, guys, ayan, oh, pag ganun mo, patuyo na talaga siya, and yes, kain time. Meron akong kanin black rice with humba. Hab time. Hab time. So I have my black rice and I'm gonna use my hands. Of course, rice una. Ito yung taba. Diba? Binigyan ko rin si Bakikang, no? Para makakain din siya. Meron tayong pakok. Diba? Taba. Ang sarap niya, guys, sobra. Ito yung ham na meron palang ganito na ham. Akala ko kasi yung ham sa atin ba pag Pasko, 'di ba? Pag Christmas party, lalo na pag may company kayo. Basta yung bilog. Iba to. Ano talaga siya? Malaman. Malaman tapos may taba. Power. Sobrang lamig, parang sinisipon ako, guys. I mean, hindi na masyado. Kanina, ang aga naming lumabas. Shout out to all my viewers and thank you so much for always being on my videos. This is really good. Leftover ham, Humba style, you know. Gustong-gusto din ni Bakikang. So look at this. Paubos na. Taba. Kanin. Tama na yung kanin. Kasi guys, tumaba na talaga ako. I'm gaining weight. But of course, I'm gonna need fats, you know, especially the winter. I'm gonna need fats. Tapos na, guys. Once taba. Hudoy. Hudoy. So once again, thank you so much guys for watching, and sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button para ma-notify kayo for my next video. And don't forget to support my members guys. Don't hesitate to support them. And I'm going to shout out there guys sa aking super chatter video na 2 ways to cook leftover turkey. So shout out Jocelyn Musser, all the way from Germany, and she is my neighbor in the Philippines. So thank you so much, ate, and God bless sa'yo. God bless sa'yo. Salamat sa pag-share sa iyong blessings. Thank you so much guys. See you on my next one. Be good, be safe, and have a great day. Merry Christmas.